Good day, students. Welcome to JSS 1 Basic Technology. In this very first lesson, we explore what technology means, why it matters, and how it shapes modern Nigerian society. Technology is not just about computers and phones, it is about every tool, process, and system that humans have created to solve problems and meet needs. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to define technology and state its scope, trace the history of technological development from stone tools to the digital age, classify technology into its major branches, state the importance of technology to Nigeria's development, and distinguish between science and technology. Let us begin. What is technology? Technology is the application of scientific knowledge, skills, and resources to solve problems and meet human needs. It includes tools, machines, processes, techniques, and systems created by humans. Science discovers how the world works, technology applies that knowledge to create useful products and solutions. Example, science discovered how electricity flows, or Ohm's law, technology applied it to create generators, bulbs, computers, and phone chargers. History of technology, brief timeline. Stone Age, flint tools, fire making, first human technology. Bronze Age/Iron Age, metal tools. In Nigeria, the NECO culture, 500 BC, 200 CE, in the Jos Plateau area worked iron and produced remarkable terracotta sculptures, evidence of advanced early Nigerian technology. Agricultural Revolution, plows, irrigation, food storage. Industrial Revolution, 18th to 19th century steam engines, factories, railways, coal and iron changed manufacturing forever. Electrical Age, late 19th century telegraph, telephone, electric light. Electronic/digital Age, 20th century onward computers, internet, mobile phones, satellite communication. Nigerian technology context. Nigeria has produced notable technology, ABA-made machines and auto parts, NUI auto parts industry, NASADA, Space Agency, and NICSat-1 satellite, 2003, local tech hubs at Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, software companies, fintech or Flutterwave, Paystack, and mobile innovations. Branches of technology. Mechanical technology, machines, engines, vehicles, tools. Examples, cars, motorbikes, generators. Electrical/electronic technology, electricity generation and distribution, computers, phones, televisions, radios. Power plants, PHCN/Eket grid. Construction technology, civil technology buildings, roads, bridges, dams. Examples, Kenji Dam, Third Mainland Bridge Lagos, Zongoro Hydroelectric Plant. Agricultural technology, farm tools, irrigation, fertilizers, crop science, food processing. Information and communication technology, ICT computers, internet, smartphones, satellites, fiber optics. MTN, Glo, Airtel, 9 mobile networks. Medical technology, medical equipment, diagnostic tools or ultrasound, X-ray, MRI, pharmaceutical production. Material technology, production of metals, plastics, ceramics, composites, textiles. Environmental technology, pollution control, waste management, renewable energy. Importance of technology to Nigeria. Agriculture, tractors and mechanized farming, reduce manual labor, irrigation, dry season farming in the north, improve seeds, pesticide application. Health, hospitals with modern equipment, malaria diagnosis kits, telemedicine in remote areas. Communication, mobile phones transformed communication. Nigeria has 200+ million SIM subscriptions. Dangote Mobile Plant, Innocent Vehicle Manufacturing, first indigenous car brand in Nigeria. Economy, oil and gas extraction technology, fintech. Nigeria is Africa's fintech capital, Flutterwave, Paystack. Education, e-learning platforms, like LightTech Academy, digital libraries. Technology and society, benefits and challenges. Benefits, improved health, faster communication, increased agricultural output, better infrastructure. Challenges: unemployment, automation replacing jobs, environmental pollution from factories and e-waste, digital divide, access inequality between urban and rural Nigeria, misuse of technology, cybercrime, yahoo, disinformation. 3 examination questions. Question 1. Distinguish between science and technology with examples. Science is the systematic study of the natural world. It seeks to understand how things work. Technology is the application of scientific knowledge to create tools, devices, and systems that solve problems. Science asks how does nature work, technology asks how can we use this knowledge. Example: scientists discovered that solar radiation could release electrons from silicon. Photoelectric effect: technology engineers designed solar panels to convert sunlight to electricity. Question 2. Name 4 branches of technology and give one Nigerian example of each. A. Mechanical technology. NECO vehicle manufacturing. NECO produces Nigerian-made buses and cars. B. ICT. Flutterwave and Paystack are Nigerian fintech companies using digital technology for payments. C. Agricultural technology. Sprinkler irrigation systems used on large farms in Kano and the Fadama Plains. D. Construction technology. The Lagos-Ibadan Expressway expansion uses modern road construction technology. Question 3. State 2 ways technology has improved Nigerian lives and one challenge it has created. Improvement: A. Mobile phones enable farmers in remote villages to access market prices, weather forecast, and banking, M-Pesa/Opay style services, without traveling to the city. Improvement: B. Ultrasound and diagnostic technology in Nigerian hospitals allows doctors to detect diseases early and improve patient outcomes. Challenge: cybercrime, internet fraud. Nigeria is associated with internet scams globally, causing reputational and financial harm. Also, automation is reducing employment in some manufacturing sectors. 3 common mistakes. Mistake 1. Thinking technology only means computers and phones. Technology includes every human-made tool and process, from the first stone axe to a spacecraft. A cooking pot is technology, a cutlass is technology, a clay water filter is technology, a hand pump well is technology. Mistake 2. Saying science and technology are the same. They are closely related but different. Science equals understanding, technology equals application. You need science to develop technology, but technology can also advance science. The telescope was technology that advanced astronomical science. Mistake 3. Thinking Nigerian technology is only primitive or imported. Nigeria has a rich history of indigenous technology: Nok iron smelting, Kano leather industry, Yoruba bronze casting, and a growing modern tech sector: fintech, space technology, automotive manufacturing. Summary: technology, application of scientific knowledge to solve problems and meet human needs. Science understands, technology applies. History: Stone Age, Iron/Bronze Age, Nok culture in Nigeria, agricultural, industrial, electrical, digital. Branches: mechanical, electrical/electronic, construction, agricultural, ICT, medical, material, environmental. Importance to Nigeria: agriculture, health, communication, economy, oil/gas, fintech, education. Benefits and challenges: technology improves lives but also creates pollution, unemployment risks, digital divide, and cybercrime. Nigerian tech innovation: NECO vehicles, Flutterwave, NICSat-1 satellite. For homework: A. List 3 technologies you use every day. B. Name 2 Nigerian innovations or companies in any branch of technology. C. State 2 benefits and 1 challenge of technology in Nigeria. Attempt a quiz on your LMS. Technology shapes our world. Be a creator, not just a consumer. Visit Litech Academy at academy.litech.com.ng. Until next time.